Hi, I'm Doreen Marshall, and I'm living the why in yoga. I've been in suicide prevention for just over 20 years, and my work is really about bringing hope to people who struggle. I think there's a real need for kind of this sense of we're all in this together. We need to help each other and support each other as we go through the world. Yoga brings that sense of unity and connection. I've been to Kripalu several times. It's helped me at times when the work I do has felt really heavy and hard. It's helped me kind of come back to myself and come back to kind of my purpose, my why. And I think I've always known this was my why, being able to work with people when they're in those difficult moments to help them maybe see that, their darkest moments aren't their only moments.